I get asked this over and over and over again. What type of video should I make? Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now I understand that YouTube can be a very demoralising or a very weird riddle to figure out, and sometimes you just sit there and you're like, well, I'm throwing all these videos out there but they're just not working, and you ask, what type of video should I make? Now before I dive into that question and I tell you why that annoys me for you to ask, right, but also how you can answer the question yourself, I want to know, what type of videos do you make? Have you picked a niche? Have you picked a direction that you're wishing to go in, or are you floundering and you need a little bit of help or motivation? Please leave a comment down below. So many times a brand new YouTuber will comment to me either in a live stream or on a comment section or in a Facebook group or anything like that, like, I'm starting a YouTube channel, what type of video should I make? The reason why that really annoys me is that it shouldn't be a specific type as such. It should be what you have inside you to make. People keep asking, what type of video should I make to be successful? What type of video should I be making to be the next Logan Paul? What type of video should I be making to be the next PewDiePie? You shouldn't be making videos to be famous. You shouldn't be making videos to be the next millionaire, right? YouTube shouldn't just be a game that you're playing. It should be something that you want to do. And if I told you, for you to be successful on YouTube, you have to make only gaming videos. What if you're not a gamer? What if you don't like gaming and you're only churning these videos out because I've told you that gaming's the way to go? You'll burn out. You won't have the passion. You won't have the drive. What if I told you that you should be doing daily content and you should be doing vlogs, but you don't like sharing your personal life and your work life is go to work, enter stuff into a computer, go home, sleep, and nothing changes, and you're fed up and everything's boring and you just don't like it and there's no reason for you to do it? Then you'll burn out and you'll disappear. What type of video should you make? The videos that you want to make. Do you feel like you're a gamer? Do you like making video content for games? Then make gaming content. Do you really like your fashion? Do you really like your beauty and you want to give your opinion on the latest Kylie Jenner lip gloss, or you want to show tutorials on how you can apply it? Then that's your passion. Make beauty videos. Do you want to start generating a diary of your life that you can look back on in 2, 3, 5, 10 years time, right? And have it as some kind of road map to your own life where you can go back and relive those wonderful moments where you've got engaged, or where you've climbed a mountain, or you've gone to the Olympics, right? Then make vlogging videos and enjoy doing so. You are starting a YouTube channel and you don't know what videos you are going to be making, and you're asking other people to decide for you, then you're not ready to start a YouTube channel. But if you have picked a niche and you're just not too sure how you can grow a vlogging channel, a gaming channel, or an educational channel, I've done a little playlist and it's up here. Make what's inside of you to make. You will never burn out. You'll be able to wax lyrical about it for forever, and you'll love it. And you'll succeed. So those are the videos that you should be making. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for at least 2 videos each and every week, 2 live streams when I get round to it. Hit that notification icon so you don't miss those. Go out there, start creating.